Bonjour, bonjour, it's Jonas Ben. JBC 123, trying to find tools to replace my battery on my my Mercedes Benz C230 the chassis 004 6-speed manual transmission, not 5-speed manual. I bought a battery yesterday, brand new battery at Walmart. I brought it home, but I'm looking for don't fall down, plane, don't break, we're not flying yet. So I was here and had all these books in here, all these Formula 1 books in the box, and I was supposed to make a surprise. I was filming it, and then what happened? Camera stopped working. I'm going to show you the books I have. Opening these boxes to see if I find any tools. A ratchet set with an extension and some sockets to remove my battery, but came into some books. I can't find my tools. Life at the Limit, Triumph and Tragedy, Formula 1. I have this book for like 25 years now. What's the next book? I came into these by accident. I was looking, as I mentioned, for tools, but I forgot all the contents of these boxes. I haven't opened these boxes since I moved to this condo building 5 years ago from my house. So it's almost 6 years. Yeah, it's been about 5 years that I've moved here, and I haven't opened these boxes since. It's another another box. My other Formula 1 book. And then I found this. I bought this maybe 10 years ago. Seninha, Driver Hero Legend, blah blah. I don't know. It's been 10 years I have this book, this magazine. And then this, oops, fell down. And this magazine, Formula 1 magazine. Senna. This is his girlfriend, the time, Adriani. And that's it. I've had this magazine for almost for over 20 years. Bought it in 2022. Ayrton Senna in Galisteu. What else? And then I have some stuff from school from 30 years ago, and a plate and another plate here from a car, Subaru car. They belong to our factory with the F plate, Subaru, a red Subaru, 1986-87 model. I had inherited that car like 30 something years ago. I have some stuff in here. I might have a ratchet. Oh, I don't know. I might have a ratchet in here somewhere, and some sockets. So I can, without those tools, I can't replace my battery unless I go to Canadian Tire. Anyways, that's it. There you go. Senna and his girlfriend, Adriani Galisteu. And that's pretty much it. 20-year-old magazine. Can't find the tools. Can't fly my plane. I fixed this one already. My room is a mess. I'm working from home. There's my computer. Well, the computer from the company and other computers and etc, etc. What else I wanted to show to you that I found in the box? Like I mentioned, I moved to this condo building from my house over 5 years ago, and these boxes I haven't opened them since. And I found my Brasil Jogo Bonito, CBF, Clube, CBF, Clube Brasileiro de Futebol, Clube Brasileiro Futebol, Clube Brasileiro de Filho da PU. Anyways, that's the weather you have here in Canada. If you're in some other country and watching my video, this is the bullshit that I have to deal with. Oh, there goes that little tiny green Mini Cooper. Still drives, still alive. Oh, I see. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I have to find the tools to change this damn battery already on the Mercedes. So have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.